Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos into one frame in Canva. It's really simple. Speaking of Canva, it's a great site where you can design and edit videos in a simple way. It's especially beginner-friendly, and you can easily customize pre-made templates in Canva. It's very useful and perfect for beginners. Today, we'll be adding multiple images to one frame. To do this, you need to go to the Elements tab on the left side and use the Search to find the number of frames you want. Right now, I need 4 frames. Alright, so the frames are available, and just click on one, and now just drag it to make it bigger. Now you can add any images to this frame. If you want to add your own images, just go to Upload and upload from your computer. Then just drag it, and you can see how easily you can replace anything. If you want to add text, there is a text option. Add text as well. And if you want to add more images, or if you want any images from the Canva library, then go to Elements again and scroll down and search for anything. Like doctor, or dentist, or whatever type of photo you need. Go to the Photos section and you can see the options. Drag and drop into the frame. In this way, you can simply add as many images as you want in one frame. That's the simple method. And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.